Welcome back to Auto Vibe. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about automotive comebacks of the decade, the 2026 Tata Nano. Yes, the small car that once revolutionized affordable mobility in India is making headlines again, and this time it's aiming to redefine urban driving for a new generation. A comeback story. When the Tata Nano was first launched by Tata Motors in 2008, it was introduced as the world's most affordable car. While it gained global attention, changing market dynamics and rising expectations led to its discontinuation. Now in 2026, Tata is reimagining the Nano with a modern approach, aligning it with current safety norms, smarter technology, and evolving city lifestyles. Modern design language. The 2026 Nano embraces a refreshed exterior with sharper lines, redesigned LED headlamps, and a more confident stance, while it retains its compact footprint, perfect for crowded city streets. The new version looks far more premium and youthful. Updated alloy wheels and a sportier front grille give it a personality that feels far removed from its minimalist predecessor. Electric possibilities. Industry buzz strongly suggests that the 2026 Nano could arrive as an electric vehicle, potentially positioned as an entry-level EV for urban commuters. If launched as an EV, it may offer a practical city range, fast charging capability, and significantly lower running costs, making it an attractive option for students, first-time buyers, and daily office commuters. Interior and technology. Inside, the new Nano is expected to feature a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a digital instrument cluster, improved seat comfort, and enhanced cabin materials. Safety upgrades may include dual airbags, ABS, rear parking sensors, and structural reinforcements to meet modern crash standards. Performance and practicality. Whether offered in electric or petrol form, the 2026 Nano is likely to prioritize efficiency over outright power. It's light,